this is Kimberly Marie. I only have 4 minutes to record this because my phone is overloaded. So it is 1 o'clock, and I just came from the Key Sweat concert. So along with the lineup was Tamar Braxton and SWV, Sister with Voices. I grew up listening to SWV. They was amazing. Their voices, golden. Tamar Braxton, she did her thing. I can honestly say she's a beautiful lady. SWV, all 3 girls are beautiful. Key Sweat, he did his thing. It was an amazing concert. And if I had to pay again and go, I actually will go. I actually will do it. If I had to go right back to the End Market in Savannah, Georgia, and relive this moment again, I actually would do it. But since this video is going to be real short, and I actually going to talk about 3 places that I went in 2023. Portland, Maine. If you've never been to Portland, Maine, go. It's amazing. The lobster, the donuts. They just have these donuts that's made out of potatoes. Great. Las Vegas. Okay, this is one of the places I've never been, but I was able to go to Las Vegas. I did a helicopter ride. I also went there because I did an event. I went there for an event, but it was networking. But when I was there, I got to visit the place. Also, if you've never been to Vegas, go. I give everybody, go to Vegas. You won't regret it. And then the last piece is last month was my birthday. And I'm actually getting older, so females, we don't tell our age. But anyway, my birthday, I went to Bimini, Bahamas. It was nice, it was lovely. I met a whole lot of people. It was a solo cruise. And so I would say anybody that, if you've never been on a solo cruise, or you've never been on a cruise vacation, anything by yourself, go. Because most likely you'll meet a whole lot of people. Some people don't go on cruises, or some people don't go on travel by themselves because maybe they're afraid, I don't know. But I always travel by myself. So when I travel, I know I see different people, learn the culture. Okay, guys, I'm here. I made it to Portland, Maine, and I'll be here for 48 hours. So we're just right now. I'm just gonna go and get the rental car and just check out, see what's going on in the city. guys, I hope you enjoyed the recap of 2023. Of course, I started out in 2024 with a Key Sweat concert, and upcoming I will be attending one of the Cat Williams concerts, and I believe some more concert. Well, they're both comedians, and I'm just going to end this blog and finish watching this viral video that everybody's talking about, the Cat Williams on Club Shay Shay.
Earth, when you go, this guy. Because, I mean, what are we reacting to? What are we reacting to? You're the one that put him in a position where he thought he was God and could call himself Jesus. And you're the one told the guy that writes musical lyrics that he was a genius. Mm-hmm. You're the one that's like, so what do you expect? The guy married a whore. Like, what? Like, I didn't mean it like that. I mean, married her because she was one. Not he didn't know that.